For easy installation and removal of the TabGrip, follow the illustrated instructions found on the inside cover of the package. On a stable surface, slide the iPad into two of the adjacent grips. And then, using your palms to brace the iPad, stretch one of the grips over the edge. Then rotate your iPad and stretch the remaining grip over the edge. The TabGrip is now fully and securely installed. To remove the TabGrip, just reverse the steps. Using your palms again, stretch one of the grips over the edge. Then rotate the iPad and stretch the other grip over the edge. The last two grips will just slide right out. Easy and simple. The TabGrip is designed to stay securely on your iPad and never damage it, even when installed and removed.